Question number 14 of exercise 22.2. The question says that we have to, first part of the question is saying that we have to draw velocity time graph. So I'm going to discuss it accordingly. They are saying a car accelerates uniformly from rest at a rate of 1.6 meter per second square to a speed of 20 meter per second. So this is the uniform motion, that is 20 meter per second, 16 meter per second square. And what was this time? They haven't given us this thing. It then continues at 20 meter per second for t second. For t seconds, for this whole time, it was moving with a constant speed of 20 meter per second before decelerating uniformly to a speed of 12 meter per second in a further 5 seconds. So in a further 5 seconds, it decelerates till 12 meter per second. Okay, that happens in further 5 seconds. That's your velocity time graph over here. Now, first of all, they are telling us that we have to find, that's your A part, beta. B part is saying find the time of acceleration. I have to find the time of acceleration. I have got this thing, that is 0, 0. I don't have this time, so I'm writing it as t. So what will be this? This will be t, 20, and acceleration is given to me as 1.6 meter per second. Okay, so 1.6 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Shifting it, this will become t equals to 20 over 1.6. Okay, and removing point from here, so this will become 0. So when I will simplify it, my answer is coming t equals to 12.5 second. Okay, first answer is coming 12.5 second. That I have to find, in the next part I have to find distance while accelerating. I have to find distance while accelerating. So I have to find this distance. Distance will be equals to half into base is coming 12.5 into height is given 20. So d equals to, and I will simplify it, this and this will be cancelled. So 125 meter will be your final answer. Okay. Part D. In part D, they are saying that we have to find, again we have to find the distance. Over here it was for acceleration, and now I have to find distance while the body was decelerating. Okay, I have to find this distance. So how will I find it? Again, distance equals to, what is this shape? That's, it's a trapezium. So half into height is given to you as 5. This sum of perpendicular sides, so this is 20 and this is 12. 20 plus 12. Okay, so d equals to half into 5 into 32, cancelling, that is 16. So 16 into 5 will be 18 meter. The distance covered in this time is 18 meter. Okay, they are giving us that the total distance which the body has covered is 1245. Total distance is 1245 meter, and I have to find the value of t. The total distance is 1245 meter, and I have to find the value of t. So how will you start? First of all, this one, we know that distance equals to, I'm talking about the whole distance. So this one I have already found, which is coming 125 meter plus. This I have to find, this is T, this is 20. So 20 into T plus this thing is given, and that is 80, and this is 1245 equals to, adding 180 over here, this will become 205 plus 20 T. Okay, now I'm going to subtract it. So 1245 minus 205 equals to 20 T. Doing the subtraction, so this will become 1040 equals to 20 T. Okay, now 1040 divided by 20 equals to T. This and this will be cancelled too. So the total value of T is coming 52 seconds. Now, next part of question number 14 is given on another occasion the car accelerates uniformly from rest at a point A. The car is accelerating. This is given to us as point A. Okay, and until it reaches a point B with a speed of 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second, and at that point I'm saying that my car is at point B. Okay, at B the driver observes an obstruction ahead at a point C and immediately applies the brake, causing the car to decelerate uniformly to rest. Now from here the car is coming to rest. Okay, 5 meter before obstruction. Given that the car was in motion for 12 seconds, this whole thing took place in 12 seconds, right? I have to sketch velocity time graph, which I have sketched, and I have to find the distance AC. I have to find the distance AC I have to find. Okay. Now, it's a triangle over here. Total height is 15. Total base is 12. So, but this is not till C, it is before C. Okay. So, what will I do? First of all, AC distance will be equals to half into 15 into 12 plus 5. Why plus 5, beta? Because the thing is that they are saying that the body has stopped 5 meter before the obstruction. Okay, before the obstruction, right? The body has stopped before obstruction. This is showing before obstruction. The obstruction is still 5 meter away. Okay, obstruction is still 5 meter away, which is not shown over here. So what is the distance between AC? So this distance is being shown. I have written it over here. But body is not stopping at C. It is stopping 5 meter before C. That's why I've added this. So simplifying it, AC equals to 90 plus 5. 95 meter, that's the total distance from A till C. Okay. Last part of the question is saying that given that the magnitude of deceleration is 4 times of acceleration. Okay, this is the last thing over here. They are saying deceleration is 4 times of acceleration, right? And I have to find, if this thing is given to me, I have to find the distance BC. I have to find the distance BC. Okay. Now, this is my complete thing which is given over here. If I divide it into two different timing, I don't know okay, what was this time. I don't know this time. I know that the total time is this. So I can take this one as T1 and I can take this one as T2. Okay. So D equals to, what is D? D is velocity over time, and acceleration is also velocity over time, right? This will be cancelled. So I will be having T1 equals to 4T2. Okay, beta? So T1 plus T2 equals to 12. So what is T1 given to me? T1 is given 4T2. So 4T2 plus T2 equals to 12. T2 equals to 12 over 5. Okay, this is the value of T2 which I have got. So when I will simplify it, your answer is coming T2 equals to 2.4 second. Now, as I have to find the value of BC, what will I do? First of all, I will find the area of this one. What will be BC equals to? BC equals to, first of all, this area. 1 over 2 into 2.4 into 15. Okay. Now, body is not stopping at C. This is not point C. Body is stopping 5 meter before C. So I'm going to write it as plus 5 also over here. Okay, I'm going to add plus 5 over here. So when I will be simplifying it, BC equals to this and this will be cancelled. This will become 1.2. Okay, and 15 multiplied by 1.2, my answer is coming 18 plus 5 equals to 23 meter. That's your final answer.